days.
He also looks kind of awesome. Is there an extra? So the tracks are headache, nerves, release, waiting. Let's try this. BF and GF notice a strange glow from the alleyway. Coming from the alleyway. Bep. What's up, little man? Does the smoke catch your attention? Beep bop. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You should try it out. Beep bop. Are you sure? Come on. Beep bop. Tell you what, if you beat me in a friendly little rap battle, I'll get you off this case. Sound cool, little man? Beep boop bop. That got you hyped up. Then it's settled down. As long as you don't mind me smoking a bit. Helps calm the nerves, you know.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, let's see what he got. Why is this smoke? You got rid of my streak? Oh, look, and I killed him. Got him. What? Beep bop. Now that I know his voice, he maybe sound like this. Hey. Beep bop. Wait, that's not his voice. That was fun, but my chest is starting to feel funny. Beep. I'm not giving up just yet, though. You got some tight little bars, little man. Beep bop. Skeep up. Oh, you wanna keep going? Fine by me. I'm enjoying this, actually. One more couldn't hurt, right?
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, now he's calling it. I thought there was gonna be a cutscene. Next one. I think this should be yours. Oh god! Yeah, he's coughing. Wait, does this thing change? Yeah, wait. So when he does bite and cough on his cigarette, instead Okay. It's gonna happen. Oh, cutscene. What is that? Did just girlfriend laugh because he died? And boyfriend just trying to keep cover. Oh, would you look at that? I guess I overdid it, huh? It's alright. I'd rather be me than you. It hurt like hell, but it's probably better than what your girl's father was gonna do to me. Can't stay like this for too long, but even if our time was short. Let's end things off with a bang, little man.
3, 2, 1, go!
I've heard this song so much. You kidding? How did I miss? Why am I so bad? Why is this song quite sad?
Tight bars, little man.
Good. It's kind of like describing. How long is this? Oh, it ended. Right as I said that. And when you look at that, the sun is rising. I won't be like for once. Hey, sorry for dying. Didn't want this thing killing you. You're actually really cool. I'd love to fuck with you more, but this is my fault. You two got a lot going, and I don't want to add it to it. I've got enough time for one last send-off, little man. You two stay safe, okay?
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, he's dead. Oh yeah, he's disappearing. That is sad. And he's gone from the bar? He's dead! There's no music. It automatically starts can always unsubscribe if I'm being a jerk. And you don't even have to subscribe. I just want to have fun. Anyway, see